Students, this is fourth lecture on chapter 2nd, exponent and powers, from your maths book of class 8. In this lecture, I will explain that how can we express small numbers in standard form by using exponents, and later we have to solve. Let us practice 2.3. Whatever I am explaining here, you have to write it in your classwork. First, expressing small numbers in standard form using exponents. By using negative exponents, we can express very small numbers in standard form. For example, 0.0000000173 is equal to 1.73 into 10 to the power minus 7. When we shift decimal point to the right side, we take a negative exponent. Now, comparison of very large and small numbers. To compare two very large or very small numbers, we take ratio. For example, the thickness of two wires are 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter and 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Find or compare their thickness. We have to compare their thicknesses. Now, thickness of first wire upon thickness of second wire is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter upon 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter is equal to, we have to shift this decimal place to the right side. Now, we have to multiply this one by 10. 60 by 15 into 10 to the power minus 6 plus 7. Since a to the power 1 upon a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power plus m is equal to 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60. Now 4 into 10 to the power 1 upon 1 is equal to 40 by 1 is equal to 40 is to 1. The ratio of their thicknesses is 40 is to 1. Now we have to solve. Let us practice 2.3. And you have to write it in your classwork. Question number first part. 128730000 is equal to. In this question we have to write it in standard form. We have to put the decimal after one digit. It means 1.2873 0000 into 10 to the power 8. Since place of decimal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is answer. Now fourth part, 0.0000000837. We have to write it in standard form. Is equal to 8.37 into 10 to the power 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power minus 8. This is answer. Now question number second, first part. 4.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. In this question, we have to express this in a usual form. Is equal to 0.00000402. We have to shift decimal at 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is answer. Now second part, 8.3 into 10 to the power 5 is equal to, here sign of exponent is plus. Therefore, we have to shift decimal to the right side. It can be written like this, 830000. Here power is 5, so we have to shift this decimal to the right by 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is answer. Now question number 4. In this question, the mass of two celestial bodies is given and we have to find the ratio of their masses. The ratio of masses of two celestial bodies is equal to 4.98 into 10 to the power 21 kg whole upon 10 to the power 19 kg. This kg cancel out. This can be written like this one, 498 into 10 to the power 21 whole upon 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 19. 498 into 10 to the power 21 upon 10 to the power 21, since a to the power m into a to the power n gives a to the power m plus n. 19 plus 2 gives 21. 498 into 10 to the power 21 minus 21, since 1 upon a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m is equal to 498 upon 1 into 10 to the power 0, since a to the power 0 is equal to 1, where a should not be equal to 0. This 10 gives 498 into 1 upon 1 is equal to 498 upon 1 is equal to 498 is to 1. This is ratio. Now question number 6. In this question, the size of bacteria is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter and that of a plant cell is 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter is given. We have to find the difference between their sizes. Now size of bacteria is equal to 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter is equal to, here sign is negative, therefore we have to shift this decimal to the left. It can be written like this, is equal to 0.0000053. Power is this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Size of a plant cell is equal to 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter is equal to 0.000012 meter. Here power is 5. So this would be shifted at 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So difference of sizes between a plant cell and a bacteria is equal to 0.000012 minus 0.0000053 is equal to, we have to subtract it, we get this one. Now in the standard form it can be written like this one, 6.7 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the power minus 6 meter. This is answer. Now you have to write it in your class work. Now homework of latest practice 2.3. Question number first, second part, third part, fifth part and sixth part. Question number second, third to sixth part. Question number 3, question number 5, question number 7. It is given as a homework. You have to do it in your homework. Now, assignment of chapter 2. Exercise and mental maths. It is given as a homework. You have to do it in your homework.